One of the things for attorneys is, oh, I don't need that. It's not something that I need in my career. And in fact, it's the essence of our career. Communication is the essence.
There are some really important techniques that you can use to ask questions, and they seem really basic, but when you're in environments with people who are hostile to you or witnesses who are being real difficult or kind of taking charge of the examination, some of these really kind of seemingly basic techniques can help you get refocused and get to the testimony that you're trying to develop or the issues that you're trying to explore.
I was full steam ahead, and I really wasn't teaching the jury much.
It's causing me to slow myself down and get the big picture of what's coming my way. And I think that's one of the skill sets that I've learned from your training that's allowing me to be a better lawyer all the way around, not just in the courtroom, but through my entire practice.
If I don't have my chapters, I don't have a net. And improv was allowing me to perform without a net, comfortably.
I wish I'd learned it in college, to be honest.
It just caused me to think of outside the box that my life has been for the last 58 years and expand myself to think more inclusively of all possibilities.
It's helping me in my preparation to develop my deposition, plan, or my plan of discovery. Just even asking questions, let's ask questions in a better way is what I'm trying to do with it so far.
I've actually found it most important in my client interviews.
I always had a problem with looping. It was almost like a math problem for me. It's like I'd freeze up and okay, and then you stop listening, because you're freezing up. And that your improv just got, okay, I'm gonna listen. It's not about me. It's about that person right there who's talking to me. That's what it's really about, right?
I really had fun. I mean, it was really, really enjoyable to participate. And like I said, I think it was fun to see different attorneys.
To be able to learn is good, but be able to learn and have fun is better. And then to be able to learn and have fun with others that help you get better is even, better still.
Looping. I wouldn't be able to loop without you.